This video is sponsored by Helix Moonlight Mattress. Just one, not even wrap it. But anyways, so we have a Oliver tops. There's 5 tops. So hopefully they are not in really bad shape. They're decent condition. One of these could be assembled together. It's not a big deal. I must say other 4 could be done as a custom models. Yeah, we'll see what can be done soon, but at least they look okay. You need to improve on shipping, man. Still good models to fix and repair. Alright, let's see if we can make one Oliver that works. So we're gonna use Ben's motor. It is a simple way to make it work. So complete or finish this project, just swapping the, actually we're gonna swap driving wheel also. If you are in the middle of this process doing the same thing, I recommend you to put all the rest parts together so you don't have them laying around. I remove the side rolls and I will save it for later. Alright, now that we have the parts donated from Ben, we are gonna try these parts on Oliver. It seems that it's working okay. I am not done yet. I need to dismantle the motor and see if I can clean and everything. Look at that, it's not that bad actually. I need the screws, but at least looks okay. So that means we definitely get one full Oliver and 4 to go as a custom model. This driving axle is actually skipping. You can see that it's not right. I need another driving axle. There is the problem. I hope you can see the big crack right there. So let's find the solution. We have salty and we definitely have a driving axle. That's a good one. Okay, and then the driving wheel, that's a good one. Put everything as it was. I know what you're gonna say. Oh, but this one has the holes and the front wheels does have the holes. So anyways, I have here a spare part. This one also from a diesel, and the only thing we need to do is just swap the parts. So we have the wheels and we need the driving axle. Okay, let's put this set of wheels together. Now I just need a little squeeze with this vise, make sure it's aligned properly, and you should be okay. I think the yellow rubber rings will fit them good because Oliver is Tomy, and Tomy come with yellow O-rings. Yes, I'm aware of this seller or whoever do this put a screw here so it can hold the coupling, but I'm not done yet, so I'm just doing the test demonstration or for demo purposes that this can be done swapping parts from different engines. Okay, let's get this done with the screws in place. Done. So we completed an Oliver project. Still, I'm gonna disassemble. I need to clean very good this Oliver and do a little touch up on this model face and everything, and new gear is needed. So I just wanted to test if this can be done just swapping the parts. Remember, we got the motor from Ben and Bill, and we got the driving the wheels from Diesel and the driving axle from Salty. Of course, that's the way we get this done with several parts from different engines. Alright, I put a new post here. It's glued and can be removed. Also, we're scratching that there was some sort of paint rust or something was sticking out, but now it's good. I just removed it. Little touch-up detailing on Oliver. That's looking good. I mean, it's not perfect, but where are you gonna find this model? This is the part that takes more time. Much better. Just very gentle. Buffers also need some touch up, and the other one too. We need to paint Oliver's face. I'm gonna apply a coat of dolphin gray with the airbrush. First things first, I don't want to paint the rest, so I will protect everything with masking tape. Now give a good cleaning with rubbing alcohol. What's your opinion on the face? It's next what we're gonna do, it's use this rod and dip it into the black ink and just do the, what's up? Oh man, it's heavy. My camera. Can you hear that? It looks like it's like a self-inflating or something. I don't know, maybe it's, I think so. Bounce away! Helix Moonlight mattress. Really good, really soft. Pillows feel like a gel, like a very comfy. Alright, let's continue. It's not that easy to make the small eyebrows. What do you think? Alright, we are done with Oliver. You might check it on my website, customtrackmasters.com. If this thing is gone, it's gone. So, no eBay. Only customtrackmasters.com for this model. Okay. Very, very soft. Thank you, Helix, for sending me these amazing pillows and the mattress. Highly recommended. Very, very soft, and I'm going to bed.